Hey everybody, Mr. Odom here. We're going to work out these problems from section 5.2, number 16, 18, and 20. Make sure you have your composition book, notebook, paper, pencil, and a calculator. And the learning target for this video is I can determine if two rates form a proportion using cross products property or some of the other tools that we have in our tool bag. So let's get started. For number 16, it says I have 12 players from 21 teams. So let me write that down. 12 players, I'll use P, and 21 teams, I'll use T. I want to know, does that equal 15 players or 24 from 24 teams? Are these proportional? So lots of ways I can do it. I can simplify them. So let's try that. So for 12 and 21, I know 3 goes into both of those. So this would be 4 players from 7 teams. Is that equal to, now let's simplify this one. What goes into 15 and 24? Well, 3 does. So this would be 5 players and 8 teams. So turns out these are not equal to each other. So the answer is no, these do not form a proportion. All right, let's look at another one. Get a different color. Trying to use some of these other colors. Let's use this one right here. 120 units made in 5 days. Is that equivalent to making 88 units in 4 days? Well, here's another way we could do this. What's 120 divided by 5? It is 24. So I can make 24 units in 1 day. All right, that is what kind of rate? That is a unit rate. So this is another way we can compare rates. Let's turn them into their unit rates. So this would be 1 day. So I divide 88 divided by 4 is what? 20. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 22 units in 1 day. So these are also not equivalent because their unit rates are not equal. All right, let's look at another one. Let me pick another color out of here. You guys have any ideas? I'm gonna pick gray. I don't think I've ever used gray before. So I have 68 hits in 172 at-bats, A, B. Is that equivalent to getting 43 hits in 123 at-bats? So when I look at this, at first it's like, well, simplifying, I don't think so. And if I knew already, I already know, I think that this isn't going to work, but it might. Let's try the cross products property. Yes, let's try that one. And so I will take 68, multiply it by 123, and I want to know, does that equal 172 times 43? Did I say 43 over here? I meant 123. So let's do some multiplication. 68 times 123. I'm not doing that in my head, that's in my calculator. I get 8,364. Does that equal 172 times 43? Oh, I get 7,396. These are not equal, so the answer is no. Okay, So those are the solutions to those three problems. Hopefully that was helpful. It's Mr. Odom. I'm out.